storage for rainwater system will be incorporated that can be used for landscape as well as the material recovery facility where materials with different types will be recycled and experimented. So for the landscaping, wireframe, topiary, and other landscaping components will add up life to overall school grounds. Ramps and pedestrian marks will be used especially for physically challenged users. Lastly, for the wayfinding process. Digital kiosk directory and other signage will be used at the museum and school premises, respectively, for the easy wayfinding process. Next is the design framework. For the design philosophy, architecture is a mirror of an epoch translated into space by Ludwig Muir van Gogh. Architecture this means that architecture in general always serves as a living reminder of the world's continuous development and uniqueness of man's identity through complex spaces. For the design concept, innovative, economic, and responsive approach will be derived from main architectural zone factors in order to create a harmonious relationship between building and its natural environment. So, for the form concept, I will be adapting DNA and umbrella as the form concept to show coherence of the